Welcome back to my channel. In the previous video, we understood the types of sentences with simple examples and explanation. Now, I am taking it to one step further. In this video, I will be sharing previously asked questions from various teaching exams related to types of sentences along with correct answers and explanation. These questions are taken from real exams like TET, CTET, DSC, KVS, AP Telangana exams and many more. So, this will be very helpful for your preparation. So, watch till the end, learn the patterns and check how many you can answer correctly. Let's get started. So the first question is, please pass me the book. See here they have used the word please. That means it's a request. All the requests, commands, they comes under imperative sentence. Already we have discussed in our previous video. If you want that video link, you can check in description box. Now, please is a requesting word. That is why it is an imperative sentence. Next, second question. Where are you going? See here, it is very easy. Here we can observe the question mark. That is why it's interrogative sentence. All the questioning words, yes or no type questions, WH questions, all the questioning sentences will be interrogative sentences. Next, third question. Rita is a brilliant student. Rita is a brilliant student. See here, it's a statement. It is ending with full stop. And here they are saying Rita is a brilliant student. That means a statement. All the statements will come under assertive sentences. So answer is option A, assertive sentence. Fourth question. Which of the following ends with a question mark? So we all know this one. The questions, all the question marks, WH questions, yes or no questions, all questions will come under interrogative sentences. That is why option A is the correct answer. Next, fifth question. What a beautiful painting it is. See here, it's exclamatory. See here, we can observe the exclamatory mark here. That is why it is exclamatory sentence. Next, close the door. See, close the door. Actually here you is missing. You close the door. Subject is missing. Whenever the subject is missing, the most probable chance it will be order. Close the door. Like that. All the orders, all the requests will come under imperative sentence. But here they have asked the emotion here. It's an order. Close the door. It's an order. Seventh question. Will you help me with this? Again, will you help me with this? See, it started with the helping verb. Is, am, are, will, would, can, could, shall, should. All these are helping verbs. It started with helping verb. That is why it is yes or no type questions. But yes or no type questions, WH questions, all comes under interrogative sentence. That is why option B is correct, interrogative sentence. Next one. May your dreams come true. Again, may your dreams come true. Actually, in the morning I missed this one. This one I just want to add. Optative sentence. What is optative sentence? Optative sentence is a sentence which indicates the blessings. Means most probably these kind of sentences starts with may, wish, like this. And if a sentence starts with may or I wish, like that, then you can say that will be an optative sentence. That is why the answer is option A, optative sentence. Now question number 9. Which of the following is a simple sentence? Already we have discussed in our previous video. What is a simple sentence? A sentence that has only one clause. Means one subject plus one predicate. That kind of sentence, that kind of clause, if one clause is there in a sentence, that is known as simple sentence. See here, no use of conjunctions, no use of fan voice. Already morning I have said. No use of conjunction, no use of dependent clause. Then that will be a simple sentence. See here, first option. What is the first option? She studied hard but failed. Here but is used. So that is why it's not a simple sentence. Next, second one. I went to school and met my friend. Here and is used. That is why. See here, this is one main clause. This is another main clause. That is why this is also not a simple sentence. A simple sentence is having only one main clause. Next, he finished his work. See here, one subject is there, one verb is there, and it is only one main clause. But then also, we will check the fourth option also. She tried, yet she failed. Here, yet is used. That is why this is also not a simple sentence. So, the correct answer is C. He finished his work. I guess you guys are getting it. Next one. 10th question. A compound sentence contains. Compound sentence. Already morning I have explained. What is a compound sentence? Compound sentence means two or more independent clauses. They will be joined together by using conjunctions like and. See here. One clause. If one clause is there, that will be a simple sentence. Next, two or more independent clause. This is the correct answer. But then also, we will see this third option also. One main and one subordinate clause. Actually, this is the answer for complex sentence. Complex sentence contains one main clause and one subordinate clause. And option D, a phrase only. Obviously, this is not at all right answer. So that is why correct answer is option B, two or more independent clauses. Next one, 11th question. Which is a complex sentence? See, already we have discussed it now. Again, we got the same question. Which is a complex sentence? Option A. I ran fast and caught the bus. Although she was tired, she completed the work, she cooked and he cleaned. Stand up. See here, and is used. And is a conjunction and this is a main clause, this is also main clause. That is why this is not a complex sentence, it is a compound sentence. I am explaining each and every option also. See, this is not an answer. Why? Because the question here is they have asked complex sentence, but this is compound sentence. Although she was tired, she completed the work. See here, she completed the work. This is the independent clause. Although she was tired, this clause cannot stand single. This needs one more clause. That is why this is subordinate clause. This is dependent clause. If dependent clause, independent clause are there, means that is complex sentence. So option B is the correct answer. But we will check the C also, C option also. She cooked and he cleaned. And is used. That is why it's compound sentence. Next, stand up. Stand up. This is a simple sentence. The correct answer is B. Although she was tired, she completed the work. This is the correct answer. Next question. 12. Do not touch the wires. Do not touch the wires. It's a warning. So all the warnings, requests, commands, everything will come under imperative sentence. That is why option A is the correct answer. Next one. Alas, he is no more. Alas, he is no more. What is this? Here they are not asking type of sentence. It is here they are asking the nature. What is the emotion here? Happiness, surprise, sorrow, anger. See here they are explaining the nature of sorrow here. He is no more. Next one. Which of these is an assertive negative sentence? Assertive. You all know that assertive sentence is statement. And here negative. Negative statement we have to search. First one. She is not coming today. Not negative. Okay. Why are you late? This is questioning. That means it is interrogative. Don't be late. It's an order. So this is imperative. How beautiful this is. This is exclamation mark is it. So that's why it's exclamatory sentence. So the answer is first one. A. She is not coming. She is not coming today. Don't get confused with option A and option C. Don't be late. It's a warning. It's imperative sentence. That is why option A is the correct answer. Next, 15th question. Identify the interrogative sentence. Interrogative means questioning sentence. Yes or no question or WH question. Where is the question mark here? Option B. What time is it? So this is the correct answer. Next one. Which sentence expresses a command? Options. Please help me. Shut the window. May God bless you. What are you doing? See here, may God bless you. It's already I have said. This is optative sentence. Please help me. This is imperative sentence, but this is a request. Shut the window. See here, this is the command, and this one is a question. So our answer is option B. Shut the window. Next one. Because it was raining, we stayed home. Or I guess you guys got the answer. Because it was raining, this is dependent clause. We stayed home. Independent clause. Combination of dependent and independent means it's a complex sentence. Option C. Complex sentence is the correct answer. Next one. Identify the exclamatory sentence. See, it is very simple. You have to identify the sentence with exclamatory mark. So option A is the correct answer. Next one. She was tired, but she continued working. Already we got this question earlier, but that is different type of questioning. But here it is different type of question. But the sentence is same. She was tired, but she continued working. That means dependent clause in. She was tired. She was tired. It's a independent clause. But she continued working. But you remove. Then also you will get the clear meaning. She was tired. She continued working. Means both are independent clauses. They got conjunction but in between. That is why both are independent means compound sentence. It's an example of compound sentence. So option B is the correct answer. Next one. Question number 20. If you study well, you will pass. If you study well, you will pass. If you study well, it's dependent. What? It depends upon your past. One dependent clause, one independent. That is why it's complex sentence. Next one. 21st question. A sentence that states a fact is called. Obviously, first point in my previous video I said this only. Statements, all the statements comes under assertive sentence. That is why assertive sentences are also known as declarative sentence. Next, 22nd question. Come here at once. See here, observe here. Here exclamatory mark is there, but it is not an exclamatory sentence. Why? Because here they are not expressing any action, any emotion. Here what they are saying, come here at once. They are commanding. So this is imperative sentence. Though here exclamatory mark is there, it is imperative sentence. And here the nature is they are ordering. The nature of the sentence is order. Next one. Which is a request? Requesting word we all know. Please is the requesting word. So answer is B. Please sit down is the correct answer. Next one. How sweet this mango is. How sweet this mango is. How sweet means they are expressing the emotion. That is why it's exclamatory sentence. Here exclamatory mark also there. So exclamatory sentence. Option C is the correct answer. Last question. A sentence that contains one main clause. Already I have said this one. One main clause is there. Then that is simple sentence. If two main clauses are there, then that is compound sentence. One main clause, one subordinate clause, then that is complex sentence. Okay? Am I clear? I hope you all understood all these questions. All these questions came in our previous teaching examination. So please go through this. I hope you all understood. Thank you.